Want to make your PC run like new? Reinstalling Windows 11 can be the solution. It can resolve persistent issues, improve performance, and give you a fresh start. Don't worry, it's easier than you think, even if you're not a tech guru. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process step by step using simple terms and clear visuals. Before we begin, it's crucial to understand that reinstalling Windows 11 will erase all data on your hard drive. This means everything. Your files, applications, and settings will be gone. Therefore, backing up your important data is paramount before proceeding. Once you've safely backed up your essential files, you're ready to embark on this journey to revitalize your PC. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring you have a smooth and successful reinstallation. Let's get started. Before we dive into the reinstallation process, let's gather the necessary tools. First and foremost, you'll need a stable internet connection. This is crucial for downloading the Windows 11 installation files and any necessary drivers afterward. Next, you'll need a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of storage capacity. This will serve as our bootable installation media. Ensure the drive is empty or that you've backed up any data on it, as we'll be formatting it during the process. Finally, and most importantly, you'll need the Windows 11 ISO file. This file contains all the necessary components to install Windows 11. Don't worry, we'll guide you on how to download it directly from the official Microsoft website. Once you have these 3 elements ready, you're well prepared to proceed with the reinstallation. Let's move on to the next step. Now that we have our tools ready, let's download the Windows 11 ISO file. This file is essentially a digital copy of the Windows 11 installation disk. Head over to the official Microsoft Windows 11 download page using your preferred web browser. On the download page, you'll find various options. Look for the section that allows you to download a Windows 11 disk image, ISO. You'll be prompted to select your preferred language. Choose the language you want for your Windows 11 installation. Once you've selected the language, click on the download button. The Windows 11 ISO file will begin downloading to your computer. The file size is around 5 GB, so the download time will depend on your internet speed. After the download is complete, you'll have the Windows 11 ISO file ready on your computer. We're now one step closer to reinstalling Windows 11. Section 4. Creating a bootable USB drive, your installation key. With the Windows 11 ISO file downloaded, we need to create a bootable USB drive. This drive will be our key to installing Windows 11. For this step, we'll use a handy tool called Rufus. Download and install Rufus from its official website. Launch Rufus. It has a simple interface. Connect your USB flash drive to your computer. In Rufus, select your USB drive. Click Select and choose the Windows 11 ISO file. Ensure partition scheme is GPT and target system is UEFI. Click Start. Rufus will format and copy the files. Once done, you'll have a bootable USB drive ready for Windows 11 installation. Section 5. Entering the BIOS UEFI, setting the stage for installation. Now, we need to tell our computer to boot from the USB drive we just created. This is done by accessing the BIOS UEFI settings, which control your computer's boot order. To enter the BIOS/UEFI settings, restart your computer. As soon as it starts, repeatedly press the designated key to access the BIOS UEFI. This key varies depending on your computer manufacturer, but is usually displayed during the boot process. Common keys include Del, F2, F10, or ESC. Once you're in the BIOS UEFI settings, navigate to the Boot tab. Here you'll find the boot order, which determines the order in which your computer tries to boot from different devices. Use the arrow keys to move your USB drive to the top of the boot order list. This ensures that your computer boots from the USB drive first. Save the changes you made in the BIOS UEFI settings and exit. Congratulations! You've successfully set your computer to boot from the USB drive. Now we're ready to begin the Windows 11 reinstallation process. Section 6. Reinstalling Windows 11, a step-by-step walkthrough. With our bootable USB drive set as the primary boot device, the reinstallation process is straightforward. Your computer will now boot from the USB drive. You'll see the Windows 11 setup screen. Follow the on-screen prompts to select your language, time and currency format, and keyboard layout. Click on Install Now to begin the installation process. You'll be asked to enter your Windows 11 product key. If you don't have one, you can skip this step for now. Next, you'll need to choose the installation type. Select Custom Install Windows Only, Advanced. This option allows us to format the drive where Windows 11 will be installed. You'll now see a list of partitions on your hard drive. Select the partition where Windows 11 is currently installed and click on Format. This will erase all data on the selected partition. Ensure you've backed up your important files. Once the formatting is complete, select the formatted partition and click on Next. The Windows 11 installation will begin. Your computer might restart several times during the process. Follow the on-screen instructions to personalize your Windows 11 installation, such as creating a user account and setting up your preferences. Once the setup is complete, you'll be greeted with a fresh, clean Windows 11 desktop.